It's been almost 2 years I'm making travel videos, and in these 2 years I have been to places, explored stunning landscapes, met fabulous people, learnt about cultures, and tried different cuisines. And this is my journey. The best part of traveling is it pushes you out of your comfort zone and gives you a chance to experience something unexpected. Traveling has given me countless stories to tell and memories to cherish. It just shows us how beautiful this world can be when you think there's just no hope. Lot of passion, patience, creativity, hard work and grind is required to deliver one video. And trust me, it's not easy when you have 9 to 5 job. But still, it is best part of my life.
Singapore is a very hot and humid country, and that is the best way to quench your thirst.
This is gonna be our lunch for today.
Welcome to Istanbul. Cheers.
So here's to the next big adventure of seeing the world and gaining new experiences. And another journey of staying happy and connected to the world.
And welcome to Havelock. So not only 80s and 90s Bollywood movies are shot here, but Jurassic Park is also filmed here. So do you guys remember that scene from the movie where the lead actor Sam Neill and those two kids are running on the grassland and dinosaurs are chasing them, and they find a huge wooden block behind which they hide? So that is the shot which was filmed right over there. I'm just kidding, but it looks similar.
Yes. Crab fishing, crab dressing.
What do you have called for?
Run like hell. I think I'm gonna run like hell now. Do you remember those typical Bollywood scenes where hero and heroine hug each other and keep rolling on this slope? They'll roll till the end, they'll cross the pine forest, they'll go on the highway, they'll reach Coimbatore.